guys. All right, welcome back once more. Today we are faced with another question that have to do with equations of motion. So let's do justice to this question. A car starts from rest and moves with a uniform acceleration of 4 meters per second squared. What is its velocity after covering a distance of 8 meters? So we are being told that the car starts from rest. From rest, we know that the initial velocity u will be 0 meter per second. Now, they say it moves with a uniform acceleration a of what? 4 meter per second squared. What is its velocity after covering a distance of 8 meters? This time around, we are looking for what? Velocity, which is the final velocity. And we are told that it covers a distance s, 8 meters. Now, looking at all the equations of motion, which of them do you think would be easy to solve this question? Let me write down the equations of motion. We have v is equal to u plus at. We have s is equal to half, ut plus half at squared. And we have v squared is equal to u squared plus 2ax. So now looking at this, we are looking for v, final velocity. If we want to use the first one, u plus at, we did not see any option to put s. So I think using this third equation will be the best way. So now I will substitute these parameters into this third equation. So we have v squared is equal to my u squared, my u is what? 0. Now, plus 2 multiplied by a. My a is 4. And my s is 8. So I'm left with v squared is equal to 0 squared is 0. So guys, what's 2 times 4? 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 8 is what? 64. I'm looking for v, which is my final velocity. V will be the square root of 64, and v will be 8. The unit for velocity is meter per second. Always remember to put your unit. So it simply means that this car that starts from rest and moves with a uniform acceleration of 4 meters per second squared, and it covers a distance of 8 meters. It simply means that the velocity of the car after it has covered 8 meters is 8 meters per second. See you on the next one. Bye.